There lived a lion in a dense forest. He had two good friends, a crow and a jackal. The lion hunted the whole day for his prey, and after assuaging his hunger, he gave the remaining food to his friends. The jackal and the crow were very happy to eat free food. They ate their fill and lazed around, since they did not have to exert themselves to earn their food. In the nearby village, there lived a woodcutter and his wife. Both went to the forest to collect wood, and returned home after hours of hard work. When they returned, the woodcutter's wife cooked meals, and they both ate sitting in front of their house. Once, the lion saw the woodcutter and his wife sitting outside their house and eating tasty meals. He could get the smell of the food from quite a distance. He went near them, the woodcutter and his wife. Instead of running away from the spot, very courageously welcomed the lion and asked him to take a seat beside them. The lion was surprised. He sat beside the couple and happily ate the meals offered by the woodcutter. The lion was very pleased to see the hospitality extended by them, and he was all the more pleased to eat and enjoy cooked meals. This was the first time that he got the taste of cooked meals. Otherwise, he had always had raw meals in the past. While returning to the forest, the lion thanked the woodcutter and his wife for the tasty food. The woodcutter's wife said to the lion, "You are always welcome. Please come every day and share the food with us." Once again, the lion was astonished. This kind of behavior was uncommon among them. The animals would never offer food to others. Rather, they would snatch each other's food and injure each other in the process. The lion bowed before them with respect and went away. He took his lunch the next day with the woodcutter's family, too. Gradually, he forgot to hunt for his prey and became lazy. This change in the lion's habits was a matter of worry for his friends, the jackal and the crow. In fact, his friends had to go hungry, as they no longer got the leftovers of the lion's food. They decided to find out the reason for the change in their friend's attitude. So both of them decided to keep a watch on the lion's activities. One day, they saw the lion sitting beside the woodcutter and his wife and having a good meal. They decided to meet the lion on the spot. But as soon as the woodcutter and his wife saw the jackal and the crow, they climbed up a nearby tall tree. Seeing them running away, the lion asked surprisingly,
"What's the matter? Why did you run away? I won't harm you."
The woodcutter replied,
"We are not afraid of you. It's actually your two friends who frighten us. We trust you, but not your cunning friends." We have known them and their habits for a long time. They may prove more dangerous than you.
The lion was very disheartened to listen to this. He warned his friends not to meet him again. Moral: beware of cunning people.